Hello people, so this is my fourth video and it's a final video. I won't make more videos after this, like for today. And in this video I want to just say that the book that has brought about this shift in my mind is with regard to for me, even doing this YouTube videos, whether or not I'm happy, sad or whatever, I was just forcing myself to do these videos. But then it was occurring to me that it is sometimes I'm like totally dead. I don't have any energy myself, so what energy can I project to people? Like, but yesterday I did 45 times Surya Namaskar and all, and of course the regular jhadu pancha of the house keeps happening every day. It happens. I do it myself because since I have these rabbits, I'm responsible for them, right? They can't mess up the place. So this particular book I read, it's called The Code of the Extraordinary Mind. I have the book with me. Where do I have it? Here it is. Code of the Extraordinary Mind. I had spoken about it earlier also. No, in this book they say that we really shouldn't have these it's called rules, bullshit rules that we tend to follow, like finish all the food in your plate without realizing that all that food in your plate will end up making you start putting on weight, which was happening with me when I was in triple IT. And certain very even making a YouTube video every single day, no matter what, which is fine. But again, you should make videos that will make people also all happy, not like they see you all dead. Yeah, really. So this book, people, I cannot recommend it enough. It's called The Code of the Extraordinary Mind. Basically, it's been written by the founder of this whole group called Mind Valley, because Mind Valley, and he's a Sindhi gentleman. This channel is half Sindhi, little Mallu. So his name is Vishen Lakhiani, and Hong Kong based Sindhi gentleman, and it's just brilliant. So don't don't get yourself tied to these bullshit rules, because they can kind of ruin your life. But having said that, there should be, like, obviously some sort of framework that you work within. But don't make yourself miserable over things that are like very, they can be avoided. So anyway, it's already crossed a 2-minute video, but do try and read this, people. It's called The Code of the Extraordinary Mind. And see, my little rabbit is sitting right here, and it's become its favorite spot. It comes and sits next to me, or it sits on the sofa. There's a specific sofa he has to sit on. So anyway, it's going to become a 3-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.